Hello everybody, today we will do this yoga position and how to do it. I will show you now. So we will get started from working. We'll take leg for ourselves and stage 4 warm up. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Take leg up on ourselves and sit and up. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Sit, relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Let's try take our feet and stretch more. So 1, 2, 3, good work, and try catch your leg and sit. 1, 2, 3. Good work. Take 2 legs together and slowly start stretching for some. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like it. Subscribe, write me good comments, and go and watching my another video. So bye bye.